Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Shiva Ravindra. Today I am going to explaining the question number 93 out of 150. How to check the log file and how to check all log files at a time. Whenever a programmer executing a program, so we may get errors or warnings or some important node messages in log, right? So sometimes if the error message comes, the program won't execute and we can simply identify. But sometimes what happen, some important note messages we may miss, or some warning messages also we miss. But finally your lead programmer or your manager will execute all the programmers and check the log files. Even the client also will check the log file. So that time if they found any important warning messages or node messages, so that time we are going to be trouble. So before releasing the log files to your sponsor or client or your lead programmer, you can check your log file thoroughly, and you can give a quality outputs. Okay, so how to check that log files? Okay, so if you are really interested to watch the previous 92 questions, you can join my YouTube channel by paying 119 rupees, and you can see a separate playlist was there. Okay, so in that playlist you can find all the videos. Here is the joining button and here the playlist. And if you are really interested to learn the oncology real-time SaaS projects, so you can contact the below person. He will provide all the details. If you don't want to join and you want only the materials and recording videos, that is also available. You can connect the below person and you can get with the low cost. Okay, so coming to the point, so for example your project has two programs. Okay, so you have developed two programs and two logs were created. So how to create the log file? So by using proc print to method also you can create. Otherwise if you directly submit the batch file, like here if you right click on here batch submit, also the automatically the log file was created. Okay, so whenever you are executing a program, that time every time we are checking the log file. Okay, that is fine thing. But whenever you want to check all your programs at a time, the log file, so how to do that one? The interview may ask you the question, because as a lead programmer, if you are playing some lead programmer role, so how can we ensure all the log files are clear without any error warning and important node messages? Because hundred thousands of outputs are there, two to three programmers are involved in that one. Okay, as a lead programmer you have to give assurance, right? So here you can see we have two log files were created. So how to check this log was clear? Okay, so there are two to three methods are there to check this log file. The first method is just open the program and run the program and check the log window. Any errors or warnings are there, so you can check here. Okay, the second method is, so we have one tool is available. So the tool is here, you can see SaaS log error checking tool. Okay, so you can download this tool. Okay, so download link is there here. So download this tool. So once you download and install the tool, here you can see the select log file. Just click on the select log and go and browse that log file and just check the log file. So what are the log file containing any error messages or warning messages, you can find here. Okay, so but some important notes, this tool was not recognized. So to get that important notes, so we have a standard macro. Here you can see there is a standard macro is there available some companies. So this is one of my company standard macro. So here you can see check log. So in this log we are not doing anything. Okay, so already here inbuilt there are few all the nodes, important nodes, errors, warnings are uninitialized, merge statement, more than values has been initialized, missing values, invalid data, invalid numeric data, all types of nodes already in this predefined. If the log file containing this string, automatically it will pop up. Okay, so once you can just pass the path where the log files were saved. Okay, automatically it will take one by one log file and produce that RTF file containing what are the errors and warnings containing. So I am executing this one. So here you can check it. So two programs, RL demo and RL demo 3. So here the first one is no undecided message, log is clean. So there is no errors, warnings are important notes. So in the second log file, so you can see these are the warnings and errors were present. So by checking this one, so we can rectify and we can change your program and we can avoid these nodes as well. Okay, so once you clear everything, so again you have to run this log check macro. This macro will provide you the RTF file containing what are the programs that was checked and what are the errors and warnings are there. So finally your lead programmer also run this macro and check all the logs are clean or not. If not clean, so he will inform to you, as well as he will get a bad impression on you, because before releasing any outputs to your review, so you have to check your log file thoroughly. And one more standard macro is also available. This is also log check macro. In this macro, so no need to give anything, just here you can mention the directory. So which directory means the path you can provide, and this is a one more standard macro. So this was also checking the same thing. Here also you can see messages, numbers reported, and here all the checks was done. Here you can see data set within the observation format at least one, no messages, message statement has repeated. So all the pre-built checks were predefined in this macros. So these macros are very helpful to check your log files. Okay, so these are the log check macros are available. So in interview also they will ask you how to do check the log files in your company. So the manual check is it will take so much time, right? Every program you need to open and check and control if and any errors warning, so that will take more time. And even if you are checking in that way also, you are going to ignore some points, right? So these are the macros, very much helpful in real time to check all the macros. Okay, so this is the topic for today's. So if you are really interested to join my oncology projects, you can contact the below person. Okay, thanks for watching.